Let's talk about financial freedom. And financial freedom can be easily understand in two aspects. So anong ibig sabihin nun? No? Number one is you're actually free of money problems. Meaning that if you have something to spend on, may kailangan ka paggastusan, you don't have any problem finding for the money to spend for that certain expense or sa mga expenses mo. Wala kang problema. No? If your needs and wants, your lifestyle, yung mga bills mo, yung mga kailangan mong bayarin, yung mga gusto mong mga bagay para sa sarili mo, your wants for yourself, no? Maybe that's gonna be online shopping or things that you find in the mall, no? That's part of our wants. Or even our hobbies, no? Our lifestyle. Maybe that's gonna be gym membership or may sinalihan ka na kailangan ng subscription, no? Ng membership just to sustain or as part of your lifestyle. So whatever needs, wants, or yung lifestyle mo na kailangan mo ng pera paggastusan, you don't have problem when we're talking about the funds or your source of income. So that's the first aspect of financial freedom. Understanding that wala kang problema sa pera. The second aspect is freedom. When I say freedom, yung time freedom mo. No, na hindi ka tali sa 9 to 5 job, hindi ka tali sa pagiging freelancer, pagiging VA, hindi ka tali sa pagpapatakbo ng own mo na negosyo or your own business, no? Hindi ka tali to a certain role, a certain responsibility, and hindi tali yung oras mo. Which means that you can spend money whenever you want, wherever you want. And that's the perfect picture of financial freedom. And here I'm going to share you a structure. This is basically a pyramid, no? Hindi to networking na pyramid na about recruitment. Why am I talking about a pyramid? Because a pyramid is a structure, it's a building. And with the structure itself, the stronger your base or the wider your base, it's the same with your finances, no? Matibay yung finances mo, malapad. So which means yung pag elevate mo with your finances, it's gonna be like building your own building. Stable siya, no? If there's calamities, umulan, bumaha, bumagyo, may sunog, buong-buo yung building mo, hindi siya masusunog. And that's the analogy of the pyramid when it comes to your finances. Now, on top of this pyramid, you will see LOI, no? Ibig sabihin yan, living on interest. So again, whether you have a job, whether you have a business, whether you are a freelancer, whether you have a lot of investments, yung pera na bumubuhay sa'yo is coming from interest. It's not coming from salary. Yes, you may have salary. It doesn't come from profit. And yes, you may have profit. But kaya ka nang buhayin ng investments mo or what we call living on interest or LOI.